everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Anat and today I'm going to show you how to make oats Manchurian. But before we get started, if anyone out there is new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified the next time I upload a new video. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. So to start with, first we are going to add 150 gram of oats, a quarter of medium sized cabbage. I have grated everything. 1 medium sized grated carrot, 1 small size onion finely chopped, 1 finely chopped small size chili, and here I have finely chopped 2 pods of medium sized garlic. So I'm going to put half of this and half we are going to keep to add later on. Half grated capsicum, that is bell pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix all of these well. Now we will gradually add little by little water into it and we are going to mix it so that mixture is not too watery also and not too dry also, because we need to make small balls out of it. Now we are going to allow this to rest for approx 5 minutes. Now my 5 minutes are done, it has been resting here. So now I'm going to add into this 1 tablespoon of corn flour. By adding corn flour into this, what will happen is my Manchurian balls are going to get nice and crispy. Now let's prepare our Manchurian balls. So now as you all can see, our Manchurian balls are ready. Now we are going to allow this to rest for another 5 minutes and then we are going to directly deep fry them. So now till we have kept the Manchurian balls on a rest for 5 minutes, next step what we are going to do is in a pot or in a pan we are going to add sufficient oil so that we can deep fry these Manchurian balls. So once my oil is hot, we are going to add in the balls into it. Now our Manchurian balls are fried and they are nice and ready, crispy, and they smell really yum, friends. So now for the last and final step, we will take a pan, keep it on the gas stove on a medium flame, add 2 tablespoons of oil into it. So here goes my 1 and the second spoon. So I've used the same oil as we don't want to make any wastage. Into this we are going to add in the remaining chopped garlic which I had told you. Saute it for some time in the oil. Now here I have cut into blocks 1 capsicum, that is bell pepper, and I have also cut 1 medium sized onion. We will add in the onion and a bell pepper. Saute all of them well so that they get nice and soft. Into this I am going to add little pepper sauce. Now if you don't have a pepper sauce, you can skip it. We will also add half teaspoon of soya sauce. And at last we will add the tomato ketchup. Now when you are adding the ketchup, it should be like, it should cover up all our Manchurian balls when we mix them into it. So like this, and the quantity all depends on how many Manchurian balls you have. Mix all this nicely. Now it's time for us to add in our Manchurian balls into it. They need to be coated nicely into the sauces that we have added. So if you require more to be added at this point of time, you can do so. At the end here, I have chopped a little spring onion. So we are going to add the spring onion as garnishing on top of it. And it's ready. We are going to transfer it into our serving bowl. And there you go, my friends. Our oats Manchurian recipe is all ready. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. If you did like, please to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also to share this recipe with your friends and family. And please to try it out and let me know in the comment section how well and how tasty you liked it. Till then, I'm going to catch you next Sunday with yet another recipe of mine. Till then, stay safe, stay indoors, stay healthy. Bye-bye.